In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music or audio files to Clipchamp. Let's dive right into the process so you can enhance your video projects with sound. First, you'll need to make your way to Clipchamp by opening your browser and heading over to clipchamp.com. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be working to integrate your audio files. Once you're on the site, look for the option to sign in, which will bring you to the login page. Here you can click on Continue with Microsoft. This option makes logging in easy and efficient, especially if you're already using Microsoft's suite of tools. Just follow the prompts that appear on your screen to select your Microsoft account, and you'll be securely logged into Clipchamp in no time. Now that you're signed in, you'll be taken to the home page of Clipchamp. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on creating a new video. Simply click on Create a New Video to begin your project. This will open up the Clipchamp editing interface where all your video editing will take place. The next step is crucial as it involves importing the media you wish to include in your project. Click on Import Media. You'll want to gather all your necessary audio files and drag them directly onto the timeline. This is where those files come to life and become part of your video storytelling. But say you haven't settled on a particular audio file yet, or maybe you're looking for something extra to boost your video. Clipchamp offers an extensive content library which can be accessed from the editor interface. Navigate to the content library section where you'll discover a diverse range of options to choose from. Once you're in the content library, locate the music section. This is an exciting part of the process because it's where you get to browse through different music tracks to find just the right one that complements your video. Take your time to listen to the options available. When you find that perfect track, select it to add it to your video. And just like that, you've successfully added music or audio files to your Clipchamp project. By now, your video should be sounding as good as it looks, enhancing your storytelling and engaging your audience even further. With these steps, you can now experiment with different sounds and see the difference it makes in your video projects. Thanks for following along and happy editing with Clipchamp.